Thinking about buying Riverside? Well, there are 7 things you need to know before you make that decision, especially when you compare it to other options in the market. Stick around until the end because I'll be diving deep into the specifics that could save you time and money. Plus, I'll share how to get the best offer and even try it for free through the link in the description below. First up, Riverside's audio and video quality is among the best in the industry. If you've been using other platforms like Zoom or Skype for your recordings, you may have noticed that audio and video sometimes suffer. With Riverside, though, you're recording locally on each participant's device, meaning that the quality doesn't drop with internet interruptions or poor bandwidth. This is a game changer for podcasting, interviews, and remote content creation. When you compare it to tools like Zencaster or Squadcast, Riverside consistently outperforms in clarity and reliability. Next thing to know, Riverside's interface is incredibly user-friendly. Even if you're new to podcasting or recording, you won't get bogged down with complex settings or confusing navigation. Riverside is designed for ease, making it easy to schedule sessions, send invites, and hit record in a matter of minutes. Unlike some competitors that focus heavily on advanced features that can overwhelm beginners, Riverside keeps it simple and efficient while still delivering professional-level results. The third thing you need to know is the flexibility Riverside offers with remote interviews. Whether you're in a studio or sitting at home, Riverside ensures that the remote experience feels just like being in person. You can have up to 8 participants in a single recording session, and it's fully optimized for a wide range of content creators. While some other tools may limit participant capacity or struggle with syncing multiple people, Riverside manages this flawlessly, so you can get great results even with larger teams. Another point worth mentioning is Riverside's automatic transcription service. This is something I personally find incredibly useful. Not only does it save time in editing, but it also boosts the accessibility of your content. While other platforms may offer transcription as an add-on or not at all, Riverside includes this as part of their core service. It's accurate, fast, and allows you to search your transcriptions quickly, which is perfect for podcast creators and YouTubers who want to repurpose content into articles or social media posts. Now, let's talk about the unique features Riverside has for video podcasts. If you're a creator who needs crisp, high-quality video for interviews, Riverside has features designed specifically for this purpose. Unlike platforms that only provide basic video quality, Riverside allows you to record in up to 4K resolution, ensuring your video content looks professional and polished. Competitors like StreamYard can only stream in lower resolution and often compromise on video quality, which can impact your brand's perception. Next thing to consider is Riverside's offline recording capability. A standout feature that sets Riverside apart from most competitors is the ability to record even if your internet connection fails. Each participant's audio and video are captured locally and uploaded automatically once they regain internet access. This reliability gives you peace of mind, knowing that your content is safe, no matter what happens with your connection during the recording. This is crucial for professional creators who can't afford to lose a recording due to connection issues. The last point I want to cover is Riverside's pricing. Compared to its competitors like Zoom or Descript, Riverside offers a solid balance between affordability and professional features. You're not paying for unnecessary add-ons, and they don't lock essential features behind high-tier subscriptions. This pricing structure ensures you get value for your money, whether you're a solo creator or part of a team. The free trial alone gives you a risk-free chance to see if it's the right fit for your needs. So, if you're considering buying Riverside and want to test it out, you can click the first link in the description to grab the best free trial available. Trust me, you'll want to see what Riverside can do for you before making any final decisions.